Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I'm working on a really fun soap. So this is a custom soap that I make for Miscellaneous Distilleries. They're actually in my town of Mount Airy, Maryland, and I'm so excited. So we've been chatting with them, and my dad had the idea to make a little mold that is shaped like their barrels or their bottles. So I already made that part. I'm going to be unmolding these. I have no idea. These are brand new molds, so I have not tried to unmold them before, so we'll see. I'm just making sure I get all the rice off. I use the rice in buckets to help keep the molds upright and to also insulate them. So it'll keep everything nice and warm. All right, get this away. Dun, 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 dun. So let's see. So first we'll take the outer plastic off. And then Dad's idea was just to cut it in one spot. He said it'd be nice and easy for me to take out. So I do have one of his scalpels here that he uses to cut molds. So we'll see. Ooh, it's going away nice and clean, but the top is a little wonky. All right, let's see if that's all the way. Okay, this is when I could use another hand. All right, nice and gently. Come on. You want to come out. You don't want to come out. You don't want to come out at all. Come visit. All right, let's just make sure the seal is broken all the way around. Oh man. All right, we'll see. You can see the top parts coming. All right, let's. Oh. Ooh, I wish I wasn't doing this on camera because my dad was actually right. And I don't like telling him he's right too often. Okay, that looks awesome. Like perfect. That will, fit in nice and perfect in the mold. And I made 2 of them because I make 18 bars at a time. So I'll have to cut some of it down, but okay. So yeah, that part will go, but okay. That's awesome. I did not expect that to unmold, honestly. Okay, let's not get too excited. Let's unmold the second one before I get too happy and excited. Let's see how this goes. Okay. I always end up injuring myself with those. Okay. All right. So same thing here. We're just gonna unmold. All right, it's coming away nicely. Nice. Okay, don't get bent. Don't get bent. All right. Oh, okay. All right, got this. All right, let's see if everything's coming out. Okay. Okay. Let's try to wiggle it up. Okay. Sorry if you can't see this in the camera angle. I'm trying. Oh, come on, Bubba. All right. Anytime. Nope. Okay. Okay. Declined. All right, let's try this again. Make sure the seal is broken all the way around. Come on. Oh, come on. Please. I can hear you. Come on out. Oh, fricktastic. Okay. See, I got too excited. All right, I'm going to cut this a little lower. Is it okay? Okay, all right. All right, let's see if we can get this done. Trying to look down and see. All right, let's just try it again. Come on. These are awesome. And let's see. Please. Yeah. Oh, perfect. So I'll just have to clean up this a little bit. This will go in and out. Okay, I'm gonna clean these up and I'll be back to talk more about my design. Okay, we are back. I have everything all ready to go and I'm gonna start making my soap. Now with this one, my fragrance oil does just color, so I don't color any of the rest of the soap. It'll turn a really nice dark brown color. And let's get started. Okay, so this soap does contain, well, it will contain alcohol. So you can actually see it in the fragrance oil. It almost like fights it in the middle. So I'm gonna be moving fast. This next part I'm not gonna talk through. I'm gonna be adding my fragrance oil, mixing this in, pouring a thin layer, putting those down and pouring the rest around. So I'm moving pretty fast, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I was doing beforehand. All right, so let's get this going. everyone, I am back to cut my miscellaneous rye soap. I'm so excited and I'm so nervous. I think the embed's standing up straight. Ooh, okay, let's take a little work. We got this. Okay. Oh, check this out. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that makes me so happy. I think that's great. Okay, I am super excited. Oh, these looks good. This is a little tipped over, but I think that's fine. Oh, these are great. I was just really worried that it had gotten messed up and would have been diagonal. So I think these are all pretty much gonna look the same. So I will fast forward this part. Oh, I'm so excited. And then this part will darken, but you'll definitely still be able to see the bottle. All right, so I will bring you guys back when it's time to stamp these. Okay, we are back and I am going to use my little tiny barrel stamp and it should fit in these perfectly. Let me zoom you in a little bit closer so you guys can see what's happening. All right, so I'm going to spray it with 91% rubbing alcohol and I'm testing it out on my sample one first. I'm just lining it up. Oh my God, let's see. I love that. Oh, that's awesome. All right, I just realized. There we go. I couldn't figure out why I couldn't see as much. I figured I didn't have my light on. Look at that. Okay, I'm happy. So let's get these little guys. And I'm having to kind of squat down to make sure I'm getting them right. I love these. All right, so I'm just gonna keep stamping the rest of them. They're all gonna look the same. I'm super excited about them. I 1000% recommend Miscellaneous Distilleries. If you're in Mount Airy, go check them out. They are wonderful, have great booze, owners are awesome. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down below. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, have a great day.